Good day guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with Ate Case. Magkasama na naman kami sa medical. So pangilang medicals na natin to. Sobrang healthy na natin. Pangatlo. But this would be the last for
Hopefully.
our
Attestation.
Ready na ba? Ready ka
Ready
na?
naman.
Okay, good results. So, Cyberjaya, yun yung pinuntahan natin, tatawa ko.
Hindi, Putra.
Ay, Putrajaya. Hindi nga, di ba, yung
Ayun.
parang doon sa station, tapos may mga bus-bus na may mga precinct. Itanong natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng precinct. Takot ako doon sa, parang presinto. Sa presinto ba tayo pupunta? So, join us! Come and join us! Siyempre, kasama ko yung videographer. Zit. Makakulot pa yan.
Training year.
Namiss natin magkulot, I think.
Yeah.
Right? So, we missed it. So, we did it. And here's our neighborhood. Actually, this one is nice also.
Ang kabila. It's a
But
townhouse.
it's a townhouse. I like this area. We haven't done a tour of the house. Maybe next time. There. Nice. Here is our favorite area with everything. Like stalls, Holiday Inn, Keep Mall. Busy person. Here, thank you so much. Diyan na lang tayo bababa. Bye-bye. Excited siya. Let's go.
Masyado nagbinabad sa x-ray talaga sa akin.
May bago pang si Ate. All cabin crew. Cabin crew. Cabin crew na yan. Congratulations. Ang bilis ng medical, no?
Congratulations kasi bago rin yung phone mo.
Ah!
Naka-iPhone 14 yan.
Hoy! Wala decision ka. Fully paid. Ipagmayabang natin yan. Charot. Congratulations to the new cabin crew. Millionaire. How are you feeling right now? Ay, tagal mo sa loob ah. Ginawa mo dun.
Ayun, so... Actually, hindi ko pa rin napipil ng cabin crew ako eh.
Wow, talaga naman. Sana all. Puti pa si Len. Puti pa si Len. Natin. Wow, sana all. Happy. X-ray ka daw. Charot lang.
Cannot, darling.
Scan the results. So quick. Sana ulan tatangkad. Kayang abutin yung shelf. Nasaan sila, Mamsi? Ayaw nga, nakita ko na si Bago. Oh, kamusta naman yung hoarding natin dyan?
Tulak pa to.
Ayan pala yung may dark green naman pala. Ready pa rin kami sa post. Dito yung ibang mga items eh. Pero hindi naman sila maigpit dito. Pwede mong dalhin yung mga stuff. Meron? For today. So ayan, nakapag-ano na tayo. Ay! Grocery. And sasakay tayo kahit malapit lang siya. Actually, ayun lang. Yung building, walking distance. However, pagod. Dami binili. And there is Minso. So it's confirmed. I don't know if it's just opening or something. 2 ringgit and 40 cents lang siya. So nakabili kami ng madaming stuff. Hey! Hey! Go! Yahoo! Bye, Chip! Bye!